I love my teachers. I love my teachers.
I love my teachers. Because they are telling us wow stories.
Because they help me get faster in science and mathematics.
Because they're super duper funny and super duper nice.
Because they love me. Because they protected us. I love my teachers because they are sweet like this chocolate. They are funny. I love my teachers because they have a big car. I just love them.
They help me to be a pilot. Because they work hard.
They are cool. They are not afraid to be goofy.
They make me feel safe. They are really smart.
They teach me how to eat.
They teach me awesome sports.
Fam school is my heart.